PSL Pulse Bafethu, this is Nokulunga Ntokazi Enhleko Thenjokwayo. Standing right next to me, uPrasol. Prasol, sabona njani?
Siyaphila njani ma'am?
Ngiyaphila. Last week there was a lot of backlash ukuthi ucoach yethu wayangadlalanga ama-striker oyithuna, and a lot of people were doubting his place. Were doubting his ability as a coach. So wena ucabangani? From last week and today as well.
Yeah, I wanted to say mama, you know, wonke ama-coach ebesinako la Pirates. This is the best coach esinayo manje. Esibona kusiya phambili. There's no coach aku-CAF. Bakorwa 3-0 and then abuye back and then sukuma penalty. This is the best coach. And kula siyakhona. And the coach was planned for that team. You know, that's why he played adlale ngama-striker. So we're planning, and the planning was working, mama. Imsebenzele le plan yakhe.
Nimsebenzele.
Just a penalty. It's just a lucky, mama.
It's anyone's game, a penalty, you know. And today's game, what do you think? You know, a lot of people also here were saying that ubetilo utangafaki umbatha, but then what do you think of that decision? Angafaki umbatha, and then in the second half substitute who did he substitute to Danson?
Yes.
Over and then Afaku Kabelo Dlamini. What do you think of that substitution? Afaku Kabelo Dlamini instead of Utale Tembatha?
No, you know, Paskuluma Dlamini, you know, executive. And another thing, mama, was nothing wrong here. It don't show me negative. Goalkeeper to the goalkeeper makes.
Ward, Abdesalam, Ward.
The goalkeeper le makes. Which presents when Jaba Nafun could score. Now they score about 5 before second half.
Before, ne?
Yeah, before second
and
half.
Then,
yeah.
I know, and I noticed Butuma had a lot of opportunities. And last week, ngathi kumhambelanga kahle ngale penalty ukuthi mhlambe bezosibeka phambili kwi-CAF Champions League. Uqabangani ngenye performance yakhe namhlanje?
You know, sometimes mama, ama-players awiswa yithu moya. Ngoba sisiko sihuhu kibo. You understand? Yeah. Angeke when they performance every game. And umuntu nomuntu unamaphutho awami. So I'm a player abulawa it. But if you coming like me just coming to see mama. But until the game finish, you know.
Until the referee says so. Mtalukubuza one last question. Relebohile Mufokeng. A lot of people siyamkhumbula kakhulu. Do you think ukuthi kula mdlalo esedlulile ubezoba nawo umehluko azowenza?
Yeah, too much sympathy mama. Simdinga kakhulu. Yeah, the same game le besibuya ku CAF abesiwe wina le game ifaka bakhona.
Sithatha ngevala ne athi 1-2.
Thank you. Sayithatha
ne Black Label Cup uPrasol lona PSL Pulse Nokulunga Ntokazi Enhleko Thenjokwayo signing out.